Kum kadak ban kan mau buram yaki nyopu artli snam ka jing shakri jongki Cooperative Society shaki pajba ka office tray kam ka Cooperation Department ka Sorkar Jylla ha ka jinga tray lang bat ka Meghalaya Cooperative Apex Bank Limited Shillong bat ka Meghalaya Basin Management Agency ha ka khat khandai tray unai wing arhaja arpusan kala rakhi ya ka International Year of Cooperatives bat ka 72nd All India Cooperative Week ha ka Darbar Hall jong ka snong mau khlam nong pendeng. Hakani kasngi lawan banyasim bentalang dauba Methodist Khar Menteri Ketenat Food Civil Supplies and Consumers Affairs kumukongsan haringkat ka jia don lang uba CP Maukon Additional Deputy Commissioner ka West Khasi Hills kumusembut kongsan u Richard Yanthan IAS Registrar of Cooperative Societies Meghalaya Shillong bat ki officer Sorkar. Komisi benta kani jing rakhi ki society prepare na West Khasi Hills na South West Khasi Hills ban na East and West Khasi Hills district kila wan ban bu ya ki stall ban pen I ban pandi ya ki mar ki mata kum ki jhor ki wan ki ashar bat ki jing bam ki bakilashna hi habakran hakani ka program uba Methodist Khar lokado bnya ya ka jingdon kam jongki Cooperative ha ka bay day ban Kyntiew ya ka yok ka kot bat ka roi ka par ula phai khmat ru ha ka jing krishan ya ka jinya chaprang jongki Cooperative ban pen shlor ya ki babon ban ya sim banta bat ban pen km yang ya ka jing tepat ba sapang ka jing rap jongki Cooperative shaka lang sa lang ula kadawru ya ki policy ki jingpen thamai bat ki thong jong ka Sorkar na ka benta ban Pynkhlain chu ya ka jing ya jong ki Cooperative Societies ha ka Jylla
yo ekani ka sni ban rakhe ekani ka apo announcement ya ekani ka week jong ko Cooperative week ka bangi chu rakhe man islam nadu ka khassa tade jong unai November hadu da ako tade jong unai November ta site yo bangi rakhe ka Cooperative week and kadai week tas kadai ka tayo kabangi kami nanti ya ka jing ya telang ka jing ya don lang bat kaba na kalian coba department ni kwa ban pelong ya kami kum kawai ka benta sebentar kalau ba kum no bale sing nang ya kendulang bagi ni ayu simlang iwai bat kum ju ro ju ka por ni kwa ban pelong ini program na benta bagi si organize lani bagi sopo bagi Kyntiew ya ka contribution kaba na kalian jongki Cooperative Society bagi ai ka imlang kesal. And it's really a proud moment na dajo ko West Khasi Hills kumba I RCS ne our IS Richard Yatan he had already stated that we were supposed to have this program only in Shillong. Starting from Shillong State Central Library, we have already had a big program, a wonderful, a meaningful program in the State Central Library on the 14th of this month, where we launched the week of Cooperative Society, and we were supposed to conclude in Tura a similar type of program, a big program like this, to encourage and to recognize the effort of the society. But on my request, being the representative from West Khasi Hills. So I want also the Cooperation Department to come in West Khasi Hills, have an interaction with our people from here, give them the opportunity to connect with the department and to have this opportunity to meet you, and to see the different talents and the opportunity that West Khasi Hills as a whole have. In the last few years, it's not so many programs like this that the people of West Khasi Hills could get the opportunity to expose themselves and have the opportunity to connect to the government. So, but I would like to say that in West Khasi Hills we have, like what we are saying, we have so many talents and so many opportunities. Speaking from the natural resources, the beauty of the geographical beauty of our West Khasi Hills, the spirit of people of West Khasi Hills, the hard-working spirit, the talents that we have here in our West Khasi Hills. So I believe that with this resources that we have, we will be able to contribute to the government, we will be able to contribute to the society, to the state, and to the nation as a whole. The Cooperation Department ketika Department kepada Union Ministry of the Government of India kalau itu ya kan kepada Department akan dilihat dari Julai aja up away. But kani ka chingi thu ya kani Co-Operation Department na Sorkar India mission jo kani ka chingi thu ya kani ka Department Co-Operation Department halo ka vision bang Shashkar se Samriddhi Kabamut prosperity through a cooperation. Kisna ya kani department ada jing anu ada jing tu ba nila ban kyu shakmat ba nila ban kyu shakam lemba cooperation de department. Karena bakal hangalor ni noy nakaliam jo ka sarkar na pre jo sarkar India kunjo ka sarkar Korea kila persang penetrate ke grassroots level namtaban pensuk ya kata kecil business dan ki angka ease of doing business. All ease of doing business through cooperative and enabling the development of multi-cooperative society, even among the MSCS, modernizing this sector through computerization and expanding access to service by delivering primary agricultural credit, kini PEC, kumapilih kini kisi bagi dan ki society joki kepala yo ya kan fund untuk bagi nak kepala computerization dan ikan online. Jadi kini support ai ko lebak central government lebak ko dekat department ko jo state joni. Nota ya kini di common service center CSCS. But number two, Kapor, the central government, will launch a national cooperation policy of Araja. But the way the guide and the cooperative movement over the next decade, the vision of the central government, Kashim. The Secretary of Finance, near Persang, when you find out the society, Kiba well-performing society, bagi persang ai kecingirap naga klejo kakone ngam namla ngon ai pi kata pular ga o insan tamang sa persang select ikat tu kat di society pagawan nam ta kasi ng ikat di RCS panginte kino society ba am well performing bagi ni persang bagi support bagi ai kecingirap ini panam ta kini balance tanu naso pimte bandu jikemen ai jikit ba kriya ni inrew tadi di society dalam form mai pada hero pada wilayah tribal sekarang berkenaan tribal tak nak ada kalian itu bina persang bangin air kecingirang kat bangian tambah suara government kat air kecingirang pinhak hi ban kreatif hi ban perform lah hi ban air suara pi kecingsannya yes ke society jo pi kala lepa kat bangian ansanya government kat air fam adin kata sebagai government berkansa bagi kila aktiviti untuk bagi sinyal secara society berjalan.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya